So this is the next video. It arrived in this red bubble wrap inside of a box. So you take a look at that. Oh, there we go. S223. Yeah, I get the name wrong. And this version, unlike its brother version, does not have light scribe because I believe light scribe is a useless function. So here is the actual drive. Here's the manual, setup guide from Samsung in multiple languages. So let's take a look here. Speed plus DVD multi-recorder, and it's from the Super Right Master. It looks regular, normal, decent. And it came with OEM software for Windows Vista. I'm not going to use this. Well, I might try it. I'm an older PC just to see what it has. Nero 7. No, I got Nero 8, so I'm not going to use this. So yeah, that's pretty much the DVD drive. Nothing special until it's hooked up to power and running and stuff. SATA. So yeah, that's it. And this is once again the Samsung S223 with no light scribe. It's a DVD burner and reader, and it reads CDs as well. You can take a look at the sticker a little bit closer. Yeah. And as you can see here, it's made in Indonesia. Got warranty stickers, and it's been revised April 2008. So I just gotta install new drivers and it'll run fast. So that's it. Stay tuned for the next video.